Hello everyone, today I will show you how to fix low client FPS Valorant. Before moving on to the video, you can support me by liking the video and deliver this video to people who are looking for this video like you. Let's start. Our first solution is to turn off the Xbox game bar and turn off instant replay, or in-game replay. To turn off the Xbox game bar, we go to Settings. Then click on Gaming on the left. After entering here, we click on Captures. And then we toggle off Record what happened. We come back to the Gaming section and click on Xbox Game Bar. If the Xbox Game Bar is toggle on, we toggle it off. We come to the Gaming section again and this time we click on Gaming Mode. Then we toggle the game mode on. We're done here. Now we need to open the program for our graphics card. For this, we right-click on the desktop and open the program of our graphics card. The feature we need to turn off here is in-game replay for AMD graphics card users and instant replay for NVIDIA graphics card users. Having this feature turned on while playing a game makes our computer tired and therefore causes low FPS. For AMD, this feature is not available on all graphics cards. If you can't find this feature in your settings like me, your graphic card doesn't support this feature. If your video card supports this feature, make sure to turn this feature off. This was our first solution. Now you can open the game and check if the problem is solved or not. If the problem is not solved, we will move on to our second solution. Our second solution is to adjust our in-game settings. To do this, we go to Settings. Then click on Video. Here, if our display mode feature is windowed full screen or windowed, we make it full screen and click Apply. After doing this, we click on Graphics Quality. If you want to increase the FPS you will get, I recommend you to use these graphics settings. I've been playing Valorant with these graphics settings for a long time and I don't have any problems with FPS. Of course, you can make changes according to yourself, the decision is yours. After following these steps, you can check if the problem is solved or not. We have come to the end of the video. I hope this solution's useful for you. If the video helped you, don't forget to like the video. You can also subscribe to my channel to support me. Take care, and see you in the next video.